Hey guys, so we've already made some bacon, you see here, toss to the side, browning up some breakfast sausage now. We're going to make some breakfast burritos for dinner. So, you guys know how to do the bacon, you guys probably know how to do the sausage. I'm going to do some hash browns as well. So let me finish getting these things ready, and then once I'm ready for the eggs, we'll be back. Hey, we're almost ready for eggs. So I got the bacon done, sausage done. Right now we're waiting on these hash browns. A little salt on. This is the Himalayan salt. A little pepper. So let me finish these guys up. All right, we got the sausage going here. We got the hash browns here, and we got the bacon here. Got my thing all set up here. Got some eggs from our own chickens right here. Woo, eggs! I got the this is gonna be my work area. So we're gonna fold up the burritos on the Blackstone cutting board, which there's a link down in the description. You can get your own. I got two different kinds of tortillas here. Got the regular flour tortillas. La banderita. And then we got mission wraps, tomato basil. So I've got two orders. My daughter and my wife both want the tomato kind. Myself, my son, both want the regular kind. And we're actually just going to make just a plate of eggs and sausage, hash brown, and bacon for my son. So the bacon, just want you to see, I made it crispy tonight. Some people have been telling me I haven't been cooking my bacon all the way through. Now that's how I love it. I love bacon when it's a little chewy. The fat on there, it's awesome. But tonight, a little crispy. The rest of my family likes it crispy as well. So, doing it for them. But anyway, I turned the heat down to low. So I'm just letting it cool down a little bit. Once it cools down enough, we'll throw the eggs on and we'll get going. All right, here we go. Let's see. I'm gonna throw one of them down, warm it up. So we have about 13 eggs. No, I think I have about 15 eggs. All right, sprinkle down a little salt and pepper. A little cheese. This is just cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. I try just touching it with my hands. So some sausage, some bacon. Just gonna break it up. I throw a little hash brown in there. Let it cook a minute. Like that. Let that cook up a minute. So we could finish right now and say that's an omelet. Alright, so we're done with this guy. Alright, so now we're off to the proper way to fold an omelet, or a proper way to fold a burrito. So, what we want to do is fold the sides in. A little hot. Like this. Oh, it's hot on my hands. Woo! Woo! That was hot. And there you go. Cut that guy in half, and you got yourself an omelet. So let me set him off to the side, and we'll do another. It's really easy. So let's do it one more time, and then as long as I do it right this time again. I don't know if I lucked out on that one or what. So I'm just scraping everything away. So, make an omelet. One of the important things is here is you want to make sure that you have a nice level griddle. So just kind of spread it out a little bit. We'll do a little salt and pepper. We're going to do cheese. Just going to sprinkle it on. I'm going to go crazy. You can go crazy if you want. Not against the rules. Throw some sausage down. Throw one of them down. Throw some bacon down. Boop. And then we're just going to let it cook. Alright, so we're going to fold the top, fold the bottom, fold this guy over, fold it over again, if we can. So we're done as an omelet right here if we want. Just gonna let that melt. Take it, put it on our tortilla over here. This is how you fold a burrito, or roll a burrito. You want to put the sides in, take the back, push it over, kind of grab these little wings here, roll it all across, put it just like that, a little pressure. That's it. This one was actually better than my first one, which is here. But we got these two guys going. We're going to do those next. We'll come back and I'll bite into one. Alright, we're fighting daylight here. Let me cut it in half. Oh, look at that. Let me show you what we're working with here. So we got bacon, you see it? Got sausage, you see it? Eggs and cheddar. That's so good. Yeah, you guys got to make this. If you make it, let me know on this video. Comment below. Let me know how it goes. But even for dinner, breakfast burritos, that's the way to go. So, all right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.